Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to unbox a new style from Belle Tress. This is Summer Peach. It's part of the Cafe collection. The color is Root Beer Float Blonde, one of my favorite Belle Tress colors. Can't wait to show it to you. So let's get started. Okay. First things first, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. Please follow me along here. I appreciate you so much. I have so much fun making these videos, so please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Okay, let's unbox this. All right, it's in a hairnet. Wow, beautiful waves. Okay, you know, these come with this little straw that's packed up in there. That's part of their packaging. Okay, and I got this. Oh, this is so pretty. Look at these waves on this. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Okay, let's look at the cap. Now, these are heat-friendly fibers. It is an extended lace front in a mono part. It's open wefted. It has these closed ear tabs with stays, has an extended felt nape, and this one has the pull adjusters. Let's see, there is some stretch here. That is so pretty. Let's look at Root Beer Float Blonde. Just want to show you this. I love all the blonde shades in this. It, of course, has a darker root. Now, to me, this rooting is not overdone. I like the rooting on Root Beer Float Blonde. I have this color in several different styles. I really think it's beautiful, but it has like ash blonde, platinum blonde, pearl blonde, all these different shades of blonde, which makes it so pretty, so dimensional. Okay, let's try it on. I'm going to give it a little shake. I like to, you know, separate some of those fibers, wake them up a little bit, and let's see how it fits. Actually, this is a really good fit. Oh wow, this is contoured in the front. This is, as you saw, I just took it out of the box. This already has a built-in contour. Oh yes, 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 I love that. This is a beautiful feature. It's already off your face. To me, that is a win-win. I like wigs that are off my face. I don't like wigs that fall down into my eyes. That drives me crazy. I usually have to steam them, or I'll use a little hairspray to pull that back and get it off, but this is already that way. That is great. Fits me well, like I said. Now, permatease. Smallest amount of permatease through here, I can barely feel any. A little at the nape, a little at the nape. The top is very, as you can see, very low density. Wow, what a beautiful wig. I love this wig. I can tell you by just putting it on my head, this is gorgeous. Look at these waves. Let's see about the coverage. Very good coverage there and there. Have a look at this lace front. Wow, is that gorgeous. That melts right into your head. Good job on this lace front. Okay, so the style of this is just like a mid-length style. You see it's down right at the top of my shoulders here. Lots of barrel curls. I love these curls. Wow, so pretty. Let's talk about these specs. Now, this has a lot of layers in it, so it has an overall length of 11 to 13 and a half. So the sides are 11 to 12 inches. The back is 13 to 13 and a half inches. The nape is 6 and a half, and it weighs 5.1 ounces. Again, this color is so beautiful, so dimensional. As you can see, this rooting is not overdone. I, of course, have not taken out the zigzag part, but I will. But I think the thing I love the most already about this wig is that it is already contoured in the front. That is gorgeous. Let's look at the inside of the cap and in outdoor lighting. Okay, here's a look at the inside of the cap of Summer Peach. Extended lace front, left mono part. Very, very minimal permatease here, very little. Closed ear tabs with stays, it's open wefted. Extended felt nape, and this has pull adjusters. Make sure you see that. And I want you just to get another look at Root Beer Float Blonde. What a beautiful, beautiful color. All these waves. Thank you so much for joining me today and having a look at this brand new style. Again, if you're not following me already, please do. I'm also on Instagram. I have giveaways on Instagram. I post there every day some different wig content. So be sure to check it out at CrazyWigLady on Instagram. Thanks so much. I will see you next time.